Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the basics. Sign in at Settings, then tap your name to view the Apple ID email and account status. Once done, make sure the device iOS version and App Store region align with the account because mismatched regions block purchases and updates. Prepare two-factor authentication, have a trusted device or phone number available to receive codes. You'll need that code within minutes, so get it now. This avoids interruptions when you move to account recovery or password resets. Next, focus on sign-in and credential fixes. If App Store rejects your Apple ID, force close the app, reboot the device, and try again. Transient network or cache issues are common. If you still can't sign in, change the password via Settings Password and Security. Choose a strong, unique password and note recent email changes. Then review payment methods and billing address. Mismatched region information blocks purchases and subscriptions, so update them to match your Apple ID region before proceeding with downloads or renewal. Finally, complete the process by signing out of the App Store and iCloud, then sign back in to force a full account sync. After that, attempt a small free download to confirm success. If your Apple ID is locked or disabled, start account recovery and follow the prompts. This may take hours, so be patient. If issues persist, gather your device serial number and recent purchase receipts and contact Apple support for escalation. That provides proof and speeds up resolution when automated fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.